Hey YouTube, I hope that everyone's having a good day today. It is Alan here again, and today I'm back with another video. As you guys can tell from the titling, I was going to give you guys an update on month number 4, so I'm so excited to make this video because I have so much information to say. If you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and like this video so more people could see it. Comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe because it helps me. And if you guys are new to my video and you guys are interested in this whole hair transplant thing, feel free to go ahead and check out my month number 1, 2, and 3. I will go ahead and link them on the description link below. But before I get into anything, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and check out this video because it summarizes everything within 10 seconds.
Chia Pet, the pottery that grows. It's fun, easy, and educational. Just soak your chia overnight. Then spread the seeds like this. Keep it watered and watch it grow.
The reason why I actually wanted to show that video to you guys was because every single day that my sister sees me, she's like, "You're like a chia pet, chia." And I'm like, okay, thanks. I mean, I guess I'll take that. I'd rather be called a chia than a naked mole rat because that's what everybody used to call me when my hair was falling out. So I'm glad to be a chia any day. It's definitely an upgrade. Also, too, something that I wanted to talk to everybody about too was PRP. And I just recently got PRP about 2 weeks ago. As you guys know, I got my hair transplant in Istanbul, Turkey. So it's not practical for me to go all the way over there to get PRP. But since I do live in San Diego, California, we have TJ next to us. And I was looking up appointments here in San Diego to get PRP, and it's super crazy because they were like, yeah, we could charge you $700 to get PRP, and we'll have to book you an appointment in July. And then I'm like, July for PRP? Like, that's crazy. So good thing I live in San Diego, and I went to hair restoration in TJ, and they were super great, guys. I'm not getting paid. This is not a sponsorship, but they charged me $120, and they were super great. I was a little nervous because I hate shots, and they played Bad Bunny in the background, so I was feeling like, you know, like good. I was in a good mood. And if you guys aren't sure what PRP is, it's pretty much where they extract the blood from your arm, and then within that blood, they'll extract your rich platelets, and then they'll pretty much take that and then put it into your scalp. And the reason why they do that is because it helps stimulate new growth, and it helps with the redness, it helps with the swelling, it helps with the sensation. It's just great for everything. So every time you do get a hair transplant, they recommend this. And even if your hair is thinning, it's super recommended to go and have PRP because it just helps with everything. Since you guys are asking a lot of questions on the comments and, you know, via email, I think I'm going to make a Q&A in like the full year mark just to kind of cover everything, just in case anybody has any questions. But you guys are also asking me too what products I'm using. So I am washing my hair every other day with this shampoo. I'll split the screen so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. But I am washing my hair every other day with this. On the day that I'm not washing my hair, I will spray my hair with this. And then every 15 days, I will go ahead and use this roller just to pretty much help stimulate the growth. It helps with the blood flow. It helps help the new hair. It helps help the new hair regrow out. I think in about a week or two, I will start minoxidil 5% just to kind of prevent any hair loss from happening. My redness has gone away about 90%. I would say I still have about 10% left when it comes to the redness. And when it comes to my sensation on my scalp, guys, I would say it's about 90% back. We still have about 10% left to go. And I also wanted to talk to everybody really quickly about lighting. And lighting is really important after a hair transplant. And the reason why I say that is because sometimes when you're in like really good lighting, it looks like you're straight up bald, and then other times when you're in dark lighting and you take a picture, it looks like, you know, you have a lot of hair in your head. So I guess the best advice I would give to anybody that is getting a hair transplant is to keep your lighting very consistent, guys. And then last but not least, I am so happy about month number 4 because I am rocking my hair up like how I used to before my hair transplant. So it makes me feel really good about my hair, and I used to rock my hair like this before all of my hair fell out. So I'm starting to feel like my old self again. And like when I see myself, I'm like, you killing it, man. I'm so happy I did it. It's only 4 months. And the 4-month mark is pretty much when 60% of your hair has grown in. So there should be about 40% more left to grow. So I'm excited about that. This video has been a really good video, and I don't mean to dampen the mood on anything or anything that I've done, but I have to keep it very honest with you guys. I did recently just get a haircut, and I'm not really that happy with my donor area, and I'm going to show you guys. But the reason why, let me actually just turn around and shut up because I could talk all day. But you guys, I'm so not happy with my donor area, and it's kind of pissing me off because I see other people and their donor area looks so great. And I just recently got a haircut, and maybe I'm being a little too ballsy at month number 4. But my skin color is still not the same color as as the other part of my head. So it just looks a little funny. And also too, the hair is like overly harvested too. So it just needs time to grow. My hair was like before my haircut, I had my hair on the back grown out, so it didn't look like it was overly harvested. It didn't look like the skin was a different color. So I think for these next couple of months, I'm just gonna grow the back out until the skin can heal, and I'll just leave it at that, and then probably revisit the back of my head in probably like 2 or 3 months just to kind of give it a break. But yeah, guys, other than that, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.